Hello everybody, this is Oliver the Cat, and welcome to Oliver's Learning Curve. Hello little kitties, this is Oliver the Cat, and today I am going to teach you about shapes. Shapes are made up of lines or curves. We can see shapes in everyday life. Some of your favorite things are in different shapes. Let's learn some shapes together. A circle has no corners and is a continuous shape. It goes round and round. Examples of circle shapes are a marble, a pie, and a bowling ball. A triangle is a closed, flat shape with 3 sides. The examples of a triangle shape are a tortilla chip, a sandwich slice, and a road sign. A square has 4 equal sides. The examples of square shapes are a chessboard and a racing flag. A hexagon is a flat shape with 6 angles and 6 edges. Examples of hexagon shapes are honeycombs and the back end of a pencil. Bees connect hexagons to create a honeycomb. An octagon has 8 straight sides. Examples of octagon shapes are stop signs, octagon plates, and mirrors. A pentagon has 5 straight sides. Some examples of pentagon shapes are school crossing signs. It can also be the shape of a circus tent and a house. I have a little secret to tell you. The pentagon is where very important people meet. An oval is a rounded and slightly longer outline or shape like that of an egg. Examples of oval shapes are eggs, a football, a balloon, and a watermelon. A rectangle has 4 straight sides and 4 right angles. Examples of rectangle shapes are doors, chocolate bars, books, and a laptop. A rhombus is shaped like a diamond. Examples of rhombus shapes are kites, an ace of diamond card, a graduation cap, and a dreidel. A star is a 5-sided shape. The examples of star shapes are a starfish, a star cookie cutter, the Hollywood Walk of Fame, and the symbol Star of David. A heart shape is a shape that is pointed at one end and chipped at the opposite side. Hearts are used as love symbols. The examples of heart shapes are heart glasses, heart candy, and a heart-shaped cake. I hope you enjoyed the learning curve. I am Oliver the Cat saying, meow, my little kitties.